So negative exponents, there's so many methods that you could use to deal with them. But for me, I'm just going to show you the way I do them all the time. So just know that when a number has a negative exponent, if it's on the numerator, you could bring that number to the denominator and make the exponent positive. And if it's on the denominator and it has a negative exponent, you could bring it to the numerator, and then you're able to change the exponent to positive. So what does that mean? Okay, so what this means is this is 3 to the power of negative 2. The numerator here is 3 to the negative 2, and the denominator is 1. So what it means I could bring the 3 to the negative 2 to the bottom here. So if the 3 to the negative 2 leaves and comes to the bottom, you're left with 1 on top. And then with the 3 comes to the bottom, the exponent becomes positive. And that's 1/9. How about here? The same thing. So the 2 to the negative 2 will leave and come to the bottom, leaving a 1 on top. But we still have the -8 on the bottom. And this 2, when it comes to the bottom, becomes 2, and the exponent becomes positive. Okay. Some people will take the -8 to the top. The -8 doesn't have a negative exponent. That's a -8. It's not a negative exponent. So you don't bring that to the top. And it doesn't mean you have to flip the whole thing, like bring this to the bottom and bring this to the top. No. Only the thing or the base or the number that has a negative exponent will move from top to the bottom or from bottom to the top to be able to change the exponent to positive. And therefore, this will give me 1 over -8 times 4, which is -1 over 32. Now, how about here? Lots of students, when they do this, they forget to, when you have an exponent outside the brackets, you multiply it into the exponents inside the brackets. But don't forget this 5 has a 1. So when you do that, you're going to get 5 squared because 2 times 1 is here. And then m to the -4. Now that's 25. M to the -4. We don't like negative exponents, so I'm just going to change this to 25. This m to the -4 is on the numerator because all of this is over 1. So this m to the -4 is just going to come to the denominator, and then the exponent becomes positive. Okay, how about here? 5/9 to the power of -2. All you need to do here, very simple. You flip this and you make it 9/5. That will make the exponent outside of the brackets positive. And it means the square belongs to the 9 and belongs to the 5. So this is 9 squared over 5 squared, which is 81/25. How about here? This here, we do order of operations. So this will be -2. And -3 plus 5 is 2 to the power of -2. Lots of 2's and -2's here. So this -2 stays exactly where it is. And remember, all of this is over 1, but this 2 to the power of -2 will come down, and then this exponent will become positive. And therefore, this is -2/4, which gives you -1/2. That's it. As always, thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.